In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stamp an invoice Zoho Books. By the end, your invoices will clearly show a status watermark, like paid, draft, or void, right on the PDF, which helps customers and teammates instantly understand the document state and reduces back and forth. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard. Look toward the upper right corner for the small gear icon. This is the settings menu. It can be easy to overlook, so take a second to find it before clicking. Opening settings gives you access to everything that controls how your documents look and behave. Inside settings, locate and click PDF templates. This is where all the layout and display options for your documents live. If you manage several document types, make sure you're viewing the invoice templates group so you're editing the right area. You might see multiple invoice templates here. Each one can have its own design and rules. Find the invoice template you want to use and click Edit. This opens the template editor. Don't worry, editing a template won't change invoices you've already sent. It just updates how future PDFs will look when generated from this template. In the editor, look for a section called Transaction Details. Clicking this expands settings that relate to the transaction data shown on the invoice. It's a useful place to verify fields like dates, terms, and references, but today we're focused on enabling the visible status mark on the PDF. Next, click Document Details. This section controls document level elements and formatting. Here you should see the option to show status stamp. The status stamp is a prominent watermark that automatically reflects the invoice's current state in Zoho Books, such as draft, sent, overdue, or paid. It's a smart visual cue that helps prevent misuse of drafts and makes paid invoices unmistakable. Depending on your template, the position and style are pre-configured to keep your branding clean and the watermark readable without obscuring key numbers. Turn on Show Status Stamp. If you've been wondering why customers sometimes ask whether an invoice is final or already settled, this simple toggle can eliminate that confusion. It also supports internal controls by making it clear when a document isn't ready to be acted on. Finally, click Save. This applies the change to the selected template so that any invoice PDF you generate with it will carry the correct status watermark automatically. From now on, when you download or email a PDF from this template, the stamp will appear based on the invoice's real-time status, keeping your documents clear, professional, and compliant. That's it. You've successfully enabled status stamping on your invoice template in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.